Hey guys, Zach here with Sherpa Equipment Company. Today, we're going to be showing you how to install our offset traction board mounts onto a window panel. We've designed these mounts to work specifically with the MaxTrax Mini to mount onto a window panel. Once you've got your MaxTrax mounts, you're going to open them up and make sure you've got all your components. You're going to have two pieces of the mount itself. You'll have 6 1-inch bolts, 12 washers, and 6 nylock nuts. As far as tools go, you'll need a 5/32 Allen key and a 7/16 inch wrench or socket, whichever you'd prefer. And then for the actual MaxTrax pins to attach them to the mount, you're going to want to use an adjustable wrench and a 17mm wrench. Now we're going to go ahead and get those pins installed. I've already installed these two onto this bracket. You're going to want to leave them a little bit loose so that you can adjust them when they're on. You just take your pin, it's going to go right into the mounting hole of the mount itself. You'll flip it over. You're going to want to put the washer on, then that nylock nut. Go ahead and hand thread that on, and then we're going to grab our 17 socket and our adjustable wrench. And I usually recommend holding the adjustable wrench up top in place, and then like I said, just tighten them until those mounts can still move by hand, but aren't super tight. We'll finally tighten them when it's on the window panel itself. Once you've got the pins attached to both sides of the bracket, you're gonna go ahead and go over to your window panel and install the mounts. We usually recommend installing the mounts to the window panel off of the vehicle to make it a little bit easier. When you're installing the window panel, you're actually gonna wanna insert the bolts from the back side. So when it comes through the mount, it's actually going to stick through like that. You're going to have a washer and a nut on this side of it once the mount is complete. I usually recommend starting by taking both of the mounts, putting them together on the panel, and seeing where you want them to actually be mounted. We usually recommend having 4 total mounting bolts holding it on at a minimum. We send the mounts with 6. I'm going to go ahead and mount these vertically in this area just to show how they attach. Once you've figured out where you want the mounts to actually sit, you're going to go ahead and grab a bolt and a washer, and that's going to insert through the window panel. The mount will go onto that, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to take another washer and go ahead and hand thread that nylock nut onto it. You're going to go ahead and repeat that step until you've got 4 bolts in each mount. Once you've got 2 bolts in one side of the mount, go ahead and grab the other side of the mount and repeat that same process. Once you've got 4 bolts holding both pieces of the mount kind of loosely on there, you can go ahead and grab your Allen key and your wrench and go ahead and tighten those bolts up. Usually recommend snugging the bolts up all evenly so you can still move the mount if needed, and then doing one final tighten on all the bolts. Once you've got the 4 mounting bolts tightened and holding the mount in place, we can go ahead and start getting our MaxTrax installed. If you've got extra space like we do in this mount, I would recommend inserting the extra 2 bolts that we sent with and putting a nut on those just for some extra support. These pins are still going to be loose from earlier. You're going to go ahead and line them up with the keyhole at each location, sliding the pins out if necessary, until they are all lined up. Go ahead and push the board on, and then make sure the pins are in a good position to pull the board off. This is the easiest way I have found to line up those pins so they can now be tightened in the right spot. Once you've pulled the MaxTrax off, you can take your adjustable wrench and your 17, and we're going to go ahead and tighten these mounts up. They are going to move a tiny bit. They have a little bit of play with the plastic MaxTrax there. And that's going to be how we install our offset traction board mounts. Once you've got them installed on the window panel, go ahead and install the whole window panel onto your vehicle, and you're ready to go out and have some adventures. If you have any questions, give us a call, email, and our customer service team will take care of you.